Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, alright? After that, you just stand, you sing a Christmas song or any other song. It depends on the kind of video you want to make, alright? After recording that now, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your background. If you need this background, you can DM me. I will send it to you. Click on it now. Go and look for duplicate, okay? Locate duplicate. Click on duplicate now. You duplicate it. Then you come back. You click anywhere. Then you click on overlay. Add overlay. Then you locate your helicopter. Look at it there. Import it to the workspace. Click on it now and go and look for remove BG, okay? Click on it. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Chroma key. You drag it. You mark on that good and go back. You want to click it again. Go and locate adjust, okay? You want to remove the green completely. Click on adjust. HSL. Click on it. Click on that green there, reduce it to 100%, mark on that good and go back. Click on anywhere now. Click on add overlay. Add overlay, photos. Import your screen, okay? Import your screen. Click it and drag it, alright? Click on your screen and drag it. After dragging it, you come back now. You want to crop it, alright? You crop this your screen, alright? After cropping it, you click on it and click on splice. Reduce it to 75. Reduce your splice to 75. You are reducing the texture. Mark on that good and go back, alright? Then you drag the screen down. Adjust it to cover the phone, alright? Cover the phone frame. Adjust it, let it cover the phone frame. After that now, we are going to be adding keyframe because as the video is moving, remember the helicopter is going up so that the screen will play with it. You are going to be clicking on the screen now. As you click on the screen, you want to start adding your keyframe. Add key. As you add key, as the video is playing, you are adjusting the screen to that phone frame so that it will rhyme. Look at what I am doing. You do it gradually, so that as the helicopter is carrying the phone frame up, the screen will be playing with it. It will be at the center of the frame. So you do your own gradually, so that it will rhyme. Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, alright? If you like this video, why not give us thumbs up, okay? Welcome to the tutorial. We are still adding keyframe. So you are moving the video, you are moving the screen, then the key will be adding automatically, okay? So you are adding it, it will be adding. So at the end now, what we are going to be doing here is this green screen helicopter, we are going to be making a split. We are going to be making a split because at a point here, there's something breached. Look at it. So just come up, click here and make a split, alright? Delete that last part. Click on this one. Go and look for freeze. let us freeze screen this one. Go and look for freeze. Then you click on freeze now. Click on freeze. All right. Then you come and click on the freeze part and drag it. Click on it and drag it to the end of the video so that they will play together. All right. Then at the end now, look at the result of what we have gotten so far. All right. You can see now that the video is playing with the screen. All right. This is good now. You know now this is good. So what we are going to be doing now is to come back and click on that green screen. Click on it. Click on volume and reduce it. I don't want that helicopter sound. Mark on the good and go back. Then at the end now you click on add overlay. Add overlay. Then you import yourself. That is the character. You import the character now. Then you click on it and go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG auto removal. You allow it to remove completely. Okay. Allow it to remove completely. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Then you crop the character now and bring it to that screen. Bring it to the center of the screen. All right. Bring the character to the center of the screen. Click on it now. You want to locate splice. After adjusting it, you click on it to go and locate splice. Okay. Click on it. Click on splice now. Reduce it to 75% again. So it will look as if the character is inside the phone, not, you understand? Reduce it to, mark on that good and go back. After reducing it to 75, then we are going to be adding key to it now, like we did to the screen. So add your keyframe, you are adjusting it, you are adjusting the character. Look at what I am doing. Follow the same process. You are adjusting the video, you are adjusting the character so that the character will play with the helicopter and the rest like we did to the screen. All right. So as you are adjusting it, you are adjusting the character. Do the same thing as you did to the screen here until you get to a point where you stand steadfastly. All right. So you are doing it, you are adjusting it, you are adjusting the character. Look at what I am doing. Follow the same process. Okay. As you are adjusting the video, adjusting the character, the key is adding automatically. So at the end now, look at the result we have got. All right. You can see everything now is playing smoothly. All right. This your video is almost ready, but there is one thing we still want to add again. Christmas cap. All right. We just want to add that one is choice. If you want to add that, fine. If you don't want to add it, this your video is ready. But as for me, I want to add the cap. All right. So at the end of playing it now, there is something we are going to be doing. We are going to be adding the cap. Okay. So click on add overlay now. Click on the add overlay photos. Import your Christmas cap. All right. Then you turn it. After turning it and adjusting it, you crumple it. Then you click it and adjust it to the ending of the video. Then you come back. You're going to be clicking it to go and locate splice. Click it, click on splice, click on filter. Click on filter now. Then you crop it, then you mark on that good and go back. You crumple the cap now. Take it to the point of your head. All right. Crumple the cap very well and take it to the point of your head. You make your necessary adjustment. Make sure the cap is on your head. After that, you click it, then you go and still add key. We are adding key here again so that the cap will play with the video. All right. And as you add your key, look at it. As you are adjusting it, you are adjusting the cap to the point of your head. Like we did to the screen, we did to the character. We are doing the same thing to the cap as well. But the cap part is choice. If you like, you can leave it. But if you want to add it, follow the same process I am following now. So you are adjusting the video, you are adjusting the cap, the key will be adding automatically. Okay. Just come down to do your own. Play with it so that it will play smoothly. All right. So after this now, we are going to be playing the video. Let us see the end result of the video. Right. As you are playing this video now, then you come down. If there is any adjustment to make, you do your necessary adjustment. All right. do your necessary corrections. All right, don't mind the noise. The noise is because of where I recorded my video. Okay, you can choose to record your video in a more quiet place. All right, so we are playing the video. This video is ready. What will be remaining now is at the ending part of the video, we are going to be removing the unwanted parts. That is what I think is remaining here now. So click on this place, then you make a split. All right, make a split. Click on this one, make a split. Split the 4 of them, then you delete them. All right, delete this one, delete this one, delete all of them. This video is ready. Okay, what will be remaining in this video now is to add your sound effects, your light effect, and every other effect you want on the video. And after that, you can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add all the effects. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after adding them now, you can now export this your video with ease. All right, but there's another thing you need to understand here. Remember, you use Auto Pro features, which is remove BG. Remember, you use Auto Remove BG, and Auto Remove BG is a pro features. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. All right, just look at it now. Look at it. As we click on export, you are using the following premium features, which is Auto Pro features. So you cannot be able to export. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video, then you will come back and now export your video with ease. You learn how to export it. Export it to your gallery, then you share it to your social media handles. Okay? Like, comment, and share this video so that it will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, give us thumbs up if you like what we are doing. All right, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.